Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2015 Suzuki GSX R1000 superbike. Fantastic condition, only 1,900 miles on this gorgeous superbike in the blue metallic Suzuki race colors. This bike is equipped with some awesome features. Wait till you hear the sound of that Two Brothers Silver Series exhaust. It's got the rear seat cowl, fender eliminator. Fantastic condition. This is the one you've been waiting for. Don't miss out on this superbike for $99.99. This bike is priced to sell, way under book on a 1,900 mile bike. Don't miss out. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Damn. Thank you for Contra Costa Powersports.